He's a good baby. Did you eat all your food? Good boy. I have my oven ready at 275, so it's low and slow, which I think is the best way to make eggs. Levi is just like literally following me around the whole house. This is Levi just sitting here. I like to keep a bag of frozen spinach in the house. You have greens accessible no matter what. I'm gonna cook it in the microwave for about a minute. So I've got my ingredients here. I got my egg and milk mixture, my spinach. I'm just gonna wait till it cools a little and I'm gonna take out the excess water. And then I have my feta cheese. Make sure that it doesn't stick. I'm gonna put these in the oven now. Let's see how they come out. So let's just talk about breakfast for a bit. I know that a lot of people are doing intermittent fasting. I know that it's working for a lot of people out there, but I wanna just say, and of course I'm not an expert by any means, but I just want you guys to know that a lot of the research on intermittent fasting has been done on men and not on women. And that's something to consider. Women should actually be eating something. It doesn't have to be anything big, 30 minutes after waking, because that actually wakes your metabolism up. I am getting older and that I do want to make sure that my body is in optimum shape. I'm trying to focus more on adding more protein into my diet. Though I'm somebody who eats 3 meals a day and I like that. I don't snack. I'm not a grazer. And although I love Pilates, I'm going to incorporate more strength training into my workout routine. We've been taught as women for a really long time that if we incorporate weight training into our workout routines, then we'll bulk up. It's not the case. I actually found that I bulked up when I did too much cardio. So when I was spinning, I actually found that my thighs got really, really big. I loved spinning. It gave you that like endorphin high, but I did not like what it did to my body. I find for me what worked is walking and Pilates. I think I'm gonna look into different apps. I'm really attracted right now to the Sammy Clark Form app, so I think I'm gonna do a trial of that and see how I like it. Those are just some of the thoughts that are popping into my head right now while I have my coffee. Look how good they turned out. They're a little watery, I think, because I could have done a better job of wringing out the water from the spinach, but otherwise they seem really good. This is my favorite hot sauce. It's Valentina. I'd say it's a solid 8 out of 10. Before I take a shower, I'm actually gonna do a mask. So I'm gonna start with washing my face, and I use Le VIP O2 by Biologique Recherche. Now I'm gonna go in with my lotion P50. Next, I'm gonna do MC 110. So now I'm gonna go in with Mask VIP O2. So I'm just gonna keep this on my face for about 15 minutes and then I'll rinse it off in the shower. After I wash my hair, I just apply Restas Oleo Relax. And then I just make sure that I get the product evenly distributed. I'm just gonna let it air dry for a while. Let's finish up with skincare. I'm gonna go in with my serum. So I do about 8 drops. And then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. I'm gonna put some sweats on, even though it is 26 degrees out. I don't know, I just feel like being like kind of cozy right now. I'm going to take Levi out for a walk and then I'm gonna make supper. Chopped chicken salad made with dill, red onion, mayonnaise, and lemon juice. And then I have some Boston lettuce. I'm gonna make some wraps.